the last class we have done some of the options of Word file, that how to underline, how to change the font size, how to increase the font size, how to decrease the font size, how to make the characters bold, how to make the word in a form of italic, how to make them underline, strike through font colors, and so on. How to increase and decrease the size. So today we are going to see format text using the font dialog box. How to format text by using the font. Okay. So the first step is we are going to select the text. Select the text you want to format. Click the Home tab. Click the font dialog launcher. The font dialog box displaying the font tab. Select the font style, and the font size you want. Then, if you want, click the font color list arrow and then click a color. If you want, click the underline list arrow, click a style, click underline color, list arrow, and then click a color. Then click OK. So today we are going to see this in a practical way. Okay. So this is the MS Word page. So now I'm going to write something here. Like let's like standard 4 is doing their computer online classes. We are reading chapter 7. Formatting the text in MS Word 2013. Okay. So what I have typed standard 4 is doing their online computer online classes. We are reading chapter 7, formatting the text in MS Word 13. So here in the Home tab, we can see the font box over here. Right. Now we are going to open the font dialog box. So how to open the font dialog box? See, here is a small arrow sign in the screen. In the font tab, I can see here is a small arrow sign. A small box and arrow is there. I'll click in this. As soon as I click in this, I can see there is many things they are coming, right? I can see here Latin text, that is body. Okay, regular, italic, bold, the size, the font style, the size, the font size, that is the character size. So first what we have to do, first we have to select the word. First we need to select the sentence. पहले हमें क्या करना है, पहले हमें सिलेक्ट करना है कि हमें किस लाइन को चेंज करना है, किसे हमें एडिट करना है. उसके बाद हम इस डायलॉग बॉक्स में फॉन्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स में क्लिक करेंगे. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग we can see the Latin text. What is the Latin text? That is the font style. That is the font in which text it is. In the body, what is the body and the heading? If you see in your book, you will see the heading of the chapter is written in more bold manner. The heading of the chapter is more in a bolder manner, and it is the style of the writing is different. So heading, their style of writing is different. Okay, let's click in heading. Okay, that is the Latin style. So here the font style is regular. Now I want to do a bold. I want to do bold. So I will click in bold. Okay. Now the size I can see is 11. I want the size of the text must be 16. So I click on 16. Now the complex script. So here I want heading CS, style, bold, and let it be here. Now I want to color the text. Let's do blue color. So I selected blue. Then I want a underline. Let's select the underline pattern. So I want this double underline. Now I want a color of the underline. So let's select the color of the underline. Let's say dark red. Okay. So after selecting, after whatever changes you want to make, whatever formatting of the text you want to make, आपको जो जो edit करना है वो करने के बाद हमें क्या करना है, हमें यहाँ पे OK पैटर्न जो है, where we can see here the OK button, हमें उसे क्लिक करना है. अगर हम क्लिक करते हैं, so then we can see the changes have been made here. We can see in the screen all the changes have been made here. We can see it's Cambodia heading. The size of my character is 16. The color of my all letters are blue in color. I have underlined, that is double underlines. All the letters are bold in color and bold in style. Then the underline color is red. Okay. So from here we can change the sentences which we want to. This was about the dialog box, and earlier yesterday what we have seen, we have just seen we were changing, we were editing from here. Okay, we were editing from here while going here, like here is the font. So I'll click in the drop down list. I can change. First we need to select. Then I have changed. I want to change it in Algerian. I have changed. I want to change the size of the letters. That I want to make 26. I have made 26. I want it italic. I want to make it italic. So I click in italic. Now, yesterday, one thing I have not explained you, that is strike through. What is strike through? Strike through, see. This is the strike through. That means जब हम letters को बीच में से काट देते हैं. Right? Suppose whenever you write with a pen, जब भी आप पेन से लिखते हो, then you can't erase it. आप ये eraser यूज नहीं कर सकते हो. तो आप क्या करते हो, अगर कोई वर्ड गलत हो जाता है तो आप उसे काट देते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम राइटिंग हियर नाउ. Okay, so this word now I don't want it to be here. I have, by mistake I have written, so I want to strike it. So I'll just select the word. मैं इस word को select करूंगी. I'll go to the strike through option and I'll click it. Then I can see it has a line has passed through between, the line has passed between this word. This is known as strike through option. Okay. So this is the work of front font dialog box. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Now, the next is text effect. Now, in Word 2013, there is a new button called effect in font group. Using this button, you can apply different kind of effects to any text in the document. You can change the look of the text by changing its color, by changing its outline, or by adding effect like shadow, glow, reflection, etc. You can apply text effect by the following steps below. So first, for anything, if we want to copy, if we want to cut, if we want to make some changes, the first step is to select the text. सबसे पहला step होता है जब हमें कोई changes करना है या हमें जब कोई चीज edit करना है, तो सबसे पहला step होता है कि हम उस text को पहले select करें. So select the text, click the drop down menu arrow of the text effect button in the font group on the home tab, select the desired effect. Okay, let's go to see how to do the text effect. So the first step was that we have to first select the sentence which we want to make a change. So I selected the sentence. See here, there is a box that is text effect. So let's see what are the options there. So as I have clicked, I can see outline, I can see shadow, I can see reflection, I can see glow. And these all are the effects which we can make. So let's make some changes. Before that, let's increase the size. Okay. Now we will do text effect. So see, if I put my cursor over here, we can see the words have changed, right? Please see to your screens. If I put the cursor over here, we can see the words are changing. Their text effects are changing. If I put the cursor here, the color and the effect is changing. So let's select this gradient field, that is blue, accent 1, outline 1. Now I want to change the outline. I want it, let's say, and outline means जब आप drawing करते हो, when you do drawing, those who are practicing drawing, आप drawing करने के बाद एक outline draw करते हो, right? आप अगर कोई पिक्चर स्टिक करते हो अपने कॉपी में, स्टिक करने के बाद आप उसे एक आउटलाइन ड्रॉ करते हो ब्लैक पेन से या ब्लैक स्केच पेन से. So these are also the outline which the words are containing. So let's see if I want to select orange. See, after selecting the orange, the every word outline has been changed to orange. Right? Now I want to give a shadow. I want a shadow option. Okay, so I want this one. We have not selected the word. I want this one. See, as soon as I have selected the shadow, we can see there is a shadow down in each word. Can you see the classes? There is a quite shadow down there. We are reading. See, there are some shadows in the down. Right? Now again, I want a reflection. So I want these reflections. See, there is reflection in the screen. Right? Every word is reflecting itself. Right? Now I want the words to be more glowy. Let's see what is there in the option glow. Let's select the blue. See, the words are glowing. Can you see in the screen? The words are glowing. Paushali, concentrate in the class. See, the words are glowing. So like this, we can do the text effects. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is highlighting the text. Highlighting means making the text look different to draw the reader's attention towards it. Highlighting text has colored box around it. You can highlight text by following steps listed down below. Click the Home tab. In font group, click the drop-down menu arrow of the text highlight color button and select the color you want. The mouse pointer now change to pen-shaped pointer. Select the text you want to highlight, the text gets highlighted. So let's do this also. Let's see how to highlight the text. Let's see how to highlight the text. Before that, I will remove the glow. Now we are going to see how to highlight the text. So where is the option highlight the text? See, after the text effect in the Home tab only in the font dialog, see there is a highlight text option, text highlight color. Can you see it in the screen? Koshali, concentrate in the class. You can see it in the screen. There is a text highlight color. Okay, I'll click in the drop down list. What is the drop down list? This arrow button. See how many, there are many colors. There are yellow, green, blue, pink, dark blue, red, and so on. So we are going to highlight our text with, say, sea green color, that is this one. So after I select, see my arrow sign, the cursor sign has been changed to a pen sign. Can you see? My cursor, this mouse cursor, can you see the arrow sign here in my screen? When I will bring this closer to the word, it will change to the pen sign. Now I'll select the word which I want to highlight. I want to highlight the all. Leave and see. It has been highlighted. Okay. Like this, we can highlight the text. Now let's see what is the next part. The next part is removing the highlight. If you want to remove the highlight color from the text, follow the steps given below. Select the text from which you wish to remove the highlighting from. Click the Home tab. In the font group, click the drop-down menu arrow of the text highlight color button and select no color. Let's see how to do it. अभी इससे पहले हमने हाईलाइट करना सीखा, अब हम सीखेंगे कि हमें इस हाईलाइट को कैसे हटाएं. So for removing the highlight, first we need to select the text. First we need to select the text from where we want to remove the highlight effect. So पहले हम कहाँ गए थे highlight करने? In the highlight drop down list, we will go to the same place. We will click the drop down list. Here the option comes no color. See, it is blue in color. If I click no color, the highlight has been removed. Okay, so like this, we are going to highlight the text, and like this only, we are going to remove the highlight of the text. Okay,